Ito na nga pala ang part 2 for today's video. Dito na nga pala nagsisimula ang kanilang palaro at mga talent. Ito nga pala ang una nilang palaro, ang chair dance. Sa pagsisimula pa nga lang ay sobrang saya na. Gusto ko nga rin sana sumali sa palaro kaso nahihiya ko. Halos nga rin mga kabayan ang sumali dito. Kung makikita nyo nga pala dito, halos mga kabayan ang nagtatrabaho sa company namin. Lumapit na nga pala ako dito kasi hindi ko makita sa likod. Marami din kasing nagbibideo nasa unahan. Natutuwa nga ako dito kay madam na nakasuot ng Tinkerbell. Lagi nga pala tong bumibili sa amin ng ticket. O siya, balik na nga tayo. Kapag nakikita ko pala ang larong ito, naalala ko dati. Sobrang saya ko nga pala dati pag nakasali ako sa mga Christmas party. Hihira lang din kasi ako makasali ng Christmas party dahil wala kaming pambayad. Dati talaga sobrang kapos namin sa buhay. Mama lang din kasi ang nag-aalaga sa amin simula nang lumaki kami dahil wala na nga ang aking papa. Meron din pala nga akong si father kaso naghiwalay din pala sila. Kaya si mama na lang nag-alaga sa amin at lumaki kami. Naalala ko nga dati yung paparty namin sa school, may Jollibee. Sobrang saya nga pala namin dahil first time namin makasama sa party si Jollibee. Sabi ko nga sa sarili ko, kung mayaman lang ako, hindi talaga ako magdadamot sa kapwa ko tao. Syempre sa ngayon, kailangan ko munang unahin yung pamilya ko at sarili ko bago ibang tao. Inspired nga pala ako sa pagbablog dati, lalo na sa mga taong tumutulong. Sarap din kasi sa feeling pag may tinutulungan ka. Kaso ngayon, mahirap pa talaga. Kaya kailangan pa nating kumayod para makatulong sa iba at lalong-lalo na sa aking pamilya.
As long as you don't hurt each other. Alright, bye-bye.
Bye. Merry Christmas.
Makapungko sa tunga.
Oh.
And now, before we go ahead with the game, can I have you here, please? Can you quickly tell me your name?
Jay.
Jay. Alright. So, how long have you been here at this camp?
Almost 3 years.
3 years? Amazing. And so from 3 years, how have you been normally sending money back home?
Before I used
What happened? You don't send money back home?
Federal before, then now I use TapTap.
Alright. So now that you've downloaded the application, try sending money back home. Because friends, let me tell you, there's an amazing, incredible lucky draw which is going to happen. Each time you send just 400 dirhams, let's say 400 dirhams of international remittance that you do, you get eligible to enter into a lucky draw, and that lucky draw will get you a chance to win something as incredible as 100,000 dirhams. Yes. That's not allowed, that's not allowed. No running through. Let's do this once again. Winner tonight. Well played. You won, right?
500 dirham.
Sus, naku na lang 500. Picture.
Can we have you on the stage, please? Can you introduce yourself to everyone?
By the way, my name is Nino JP Mojong from 1632.
Amazing. So he is our winner of our first game. So we have a special, I think we have a lot of prizes which are here on the tree. May I have Miss Mariam from compliance team to please come forward? Hello and welcome to this evening. I hope you're having fun tonight. So we have so many amazing, incredible prizes, and you can choose what you want. Just pick up something from the tree and that's yours. You ready for this? You ready for this? Alright. Yeah, we can do. Go ahead with something. What is it? Alright, you want to open it? See 75 in your e-wallet balance. Wow! To
You're dancing very well. Can you just give us one sample of your best dance? Music, please. Dance there on the stage. You're very good in dancing, I've noticed. Hello, music, please.
Yes. Can we have a small sample from you? Team, are we ready? Yes? Santa Claus. All right. Santa Claus says he needs a white balloon. Honey, it's done. It's done. Santa Claus. It's her. Can I have her name? Santa's elf is taking down names. He's making a list and checking it twice. Going to find out who's naughty and nice. Alright. Santa Claus says he needs your mobile with the digital DuPay card. Digital DuPay card. Come on. The digital DuPay card. You know Jingle Bells? You know Jingle Bells?
Jingle bells time.
Jingle bells, jingle bells. Come on, let's sing one line.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Yun lang.
Thank you. Go back to your seat. Now the three of us. Whoever said 30s, step forward. 30s. Both of you? You want to change? I'm giving you one last chance. Who's thinking?
Wag na. Bakit?
You have one last chance.
Wag na, talo ng dulo.
Huh? You made it 47. All right. You? Same. All right. Thank you so much. Happy Christmas. You go back to the stage. Now the two of you. You want to change? 45. 47. Okay. Congratulations, Mahim. That's for you. I don't know what to say. You can open try.
Pag nanalo ka daw ng 100,000, anong gagawin mo? Pag nanalo ka ng 100,000 dirham.
Family? Who all are there in your family?
Mag-sponsor. Sana.
Father and mother. So you will send all that money back. And you will continue.
Pag nanalo ka daw ng 100,000 dirham, anong gagawin?
Continue. All right, Mahim. All the best.
Bibili ko na.
Our first raffle draw winner tonight.
Goes to.
The name starts with M. Marlon!
Hi, Marlon.
Are you here? Marlon Pescones! In on three.
Ayun, tara. Inok mo.
Marlon Pescones gets lucky tonight. Our first.
Excuse.
Napa, sir.
Bi, wala na kaning kaon. Dagana gyata ko. Ito ko kutsara. Ito pa heart.
Ganyan eh.
Ano yung pansin?
Konting pansit.
Kaya
Konting pansit na lang eh. Oh.
Natapong palit na nga lang.
Patay gutom.
Masarap na lang. Don't forget to like, follow, and share, and subscribe. Bye!